Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Claire. Today I'm going to give you a bit of an overview of Affi.ai. So first off, you need to go and buy a license key, install the plugin, and then put your license key in. I've already done that, so I'm not going to show you, but you can see it down the left-hand side here. It's installed. The auto mode is fantastic. So this is where you can tell it to auto put your code for any particular affiliate links you want. Say if you got Amazon, eBay, or AliExpress or Kelku, one of the main ones that it's got set up for. For me, I've got Amazon set up on here. I have told it for my first one to show after the third paragraph, but you can choose after a certain title. And then I've said just to display after my post content. So then I've decided for Amazon to be shown. You can choose your particular niche to show and any categories, tags. On the Amazon tab, you can tell it to auto put in your associate tracking ID. So that means when you go to a post, it already has your tracking ID linked into those affiliate links. Next, I'm going to go to a post and I can show you how easy it is to add the Amazon affiliate links in. So I'm on a new post and I'm going to show you how easy it is to add in Affi. So Affi.ai, add in that block. And then I'm going to have Amazon because that's what I got set up. I'm going to search a particular product. And then I'm going to select the three. You can change the layout if you want, but this is just the default. You're not going to see what products are showing here, so you have to save the draft. And then go preview it. So here are the three products that I've added in. Looks really good and very easy to add in. I hope you found this video useful. If you want to check out Affi.ai for yourself, I'll leave a link down below. Please like and subscribe as it will really help out my channel.